We are at Hotel Leroy Grand, where Cimatron is bringing all their industry experts for High Performance Day in Bangalore.
In today's competitive world, mold and die makers are under tremendous pressure to reduce the overall cycle time. My name is Amol Arun Mane and I work as Director Sales and Marketing for Asia for Cimatron, which is part of Sandvik's Intelligent Manufacturing Division. At Cimatron, we are committed to deliver an end-to-end integrated CAD/CAM solution to mold and die makers, which will help them to bring their concepts into reality. We are accompanied by GipsCam, which is another group company from Sandvik, and also our machine tool builder partner, Purko Machine Tools. If you want to experience this end-to-end solution from Cimatron, I invite our customers, prospects, resellers, partners to join us for a live seminar, which we call it Cimatron High Performance Day event at Hotel Leroy Grand in Yeshwanthpur in Bengaluru, starting from 5:30 p.m. onwards on 19th of August. Looking forward to see you all.
Machine maker will be on ground to bring all the updates on time.